And today we're going to be making a chicken curry with saffron rice and yogurt mint sauce. So let's get started. First, you're going to gather your ingredients for the saffron rice. Guys, did you know that for millennia, pharaohs, monks, kings, and queens have bathed in saffron water, consumed food and drink with saffron, offered prayers and sacrifices involving saffron, wore saffron perfumes, saffron-dyed garments? The spice was also used as a medicine. Pirates were said to value saffron more than gold. Saffron is the stigmas of the purple crocus flower, Crocus sativus, which blooms once a year. Each flower contains only 3 stigmas, or saffron threads, and must be picked by hand. 90% of the world's saffron is grown in the arid fields of Iran, and you can order Crocus sativus crumbs from a reputable supplier online and grow your own. Now gather your spice blend ingredients and grind them all together. We're going to fry the green beans in oil just until they're bright green. I used coconut oil. It came out fantastic. Now I'm going to prep my squash. This one came from my garden. Now we're going to chop and fry the squash just like we did the green beans, except for this time we're going to add some of the spice blend, 1/4 of it to be exact, and we're going to cook the squash until it's just fork tender. Now just set these aside. Now you'll gather them with the rest of your chicken curry ingredients. You'll need to slice the rest of your onion, dice 3 cloves of garlic, and finally chop your chicken. Once the oil is nice and hot, add the chicken and the rest of your spice blend. Now add the onions, stir, and cook the chicken all the way through. Then add the rest of the ingredients. Now gather your ingredients for the yogurt mint sauce. You can use any herbs that you have on hand, and I like to pick edible flowers from my garden. Finely chop the herbs and flowers, squeeze the limes. You can add as much of this stuff as you like. Mix well, and it's ready. Veggies you'd like in this dish, and you can even omit the chicken to make it vegetarian. And if you don't have saffron, just leave it out. This curry dish has so many delicious spices and flavors, you won't even miss it. So no excuses, guys. It's really easy, and you can do it. You can do it. Don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends.